In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use Zoho Assist. Zoho Assist is a secure browser-based tool that lets you provide real-time remote support without complicated setup. It's designed to be quick for both you and your customer, so you can jump into troubleshooting or training with minimal friction. I'll walk you through the exact flow, explain what you'll see on screen, and share a few helpful tips to keep the session smooth and professional. Start by opening your preferred browser and going to assist.zoho.com. Log in with your work credentials and make sure your internet connection is stable. A modern browser like Chrome Edge or Firefox works best. Once you are signed in, you'll land on your dashboard, where you can initiate a new support session. Keep this tab open throughout. It's the control center for everything that follows. Next, click Start Now in the top right corner. This creates a new on-demand session and instantly generates a unique 10-digit code. Think of this code as a one-time key that links your session to the customer. You'll see it displayed clearly on your screen. Leave this page open so the code remains active. If you step away, keep in mind that session codes are time-sensitive for security, so plan to share it promptly. Now, share that 10-digit code with your customer through a secure channel your organization prefers, such as an internal chat or a phone call. Remind them to keep the code private and use it only for this session. Accuracy matters here, so read it slowly and confirm they've written it down correctly before they proceed. Ask the customer to open a browser and go to join.zoho.com. There, they'll see a simple field to enter the code. It's straightforward. They type in those 9 digits and follow the on-screen prompts. If they encounter any error, double-check the numbers together. Keeping communication clear and calm here avoids confusion and gets you connected faster. Once the customer joins, you'll see their screen in your Zoho Assist console, and you can begin viewing and controlling it. Move your cursor deliberately and narrate what you are doing so the customer stays informed and comfortable. Be mindful of sensitive information on their screen and pause before opening anything that may contain private data. Use the built-in tools to highlight areas, guide them through steps, and keep the experience collaborative. If at any point you need to pause control, communicate that clearly so you both stay in sync. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.